Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today the whole market was in green, so I'm very certain that 95% of you guys had an incredible day, and you can see Doge is also following the trend while making sure it stays above the 16-cent mark. Now another interesting thing is the trading volume has slowly started to come up as it's sitting close to 1.6 billion. At the same time, we are in the accumulation period. You can see the same thing has happened in the previous halving event, and then it goes explosive, so you do not need more to see. Meme coin madness returns after the Bitcoin halving event, and Vitalik reminds everyone what is the main goal of crypto. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Keep in mind, the higher the social engagement there is going to be, the higher the profit we will be making from Dogecoin. Now that applies to all the cryptos. I've been talking about this, and we need to make sure that more people are talking about crypto. And if you guys do not know, 420 was one of the driving factors of the crypto market yesterday. What do I mean by that? Well, 420 or 420 Doge Day is affecting Dogecoin. Secondly, it was the same day that Bitcoin halving event happened. So usually after the Bitcoin halving event, we see a little bit of a downtrend, but this time the tables have turned. We actually saw a positive trend rather than a negative trend. That's going to prove to you that one of the driving factors of this was actually Doge Day. More money was actually flowing into Dogecoin and the whole crypto market rather than being taken out, which caused the whole market to have a positive trend. If we talk about Dogecoin specifically, you can see that has started to form the accumulation period. Now if we just go into a 1 hour chart, it will give you more perspective. Now you can see that yes, the market has not broken out of the consolidation zone, but it's clearly on the top end of consolidation. Therefore there is more movement towards the up rather than a downtrend, and you can see that the previous support has already been hit, and the next resistance that we will be paying attention to will be close to 18 cents. On the other end, this is the best example. You can see that every single year, so 2016, there has been a small period after the whole market started climbing, and then once that period came to an end, there was an explosive move, little bit pullback, another explosive move. Then we went into another important period for Dogecoin, which was considered the golden era, because from 2018 to 2021 we actually stayed below 1 cent, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to purchase at right now. But after that, 2021 came into the play, and when 2021 came into the play, there was again a similar type of push up. Then the push up went further and further just in the time we had a little bit of consolidation. Now keep in mind, these consolidations actually follow a very similar pattern, and the same thing is happening right now. If this does follow what happened previously, then you guys will see that a massive rally will follow, which will actually push up the price all the way to $2 or $2.50 quite easily, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to see. Meme coin madness return after the Bitcoin halving event concludes. Meme coins are about to go parabolic. It's not just Dogecoin, but you can see also Bonk is doing so well today, Pepe with Sheep. Everything is doing very well, and Doge will definitely be leading the chart. Now talking about Vitalik, Vitalik is talking about some interesting things, because he mentioned that trading digital assets, it is about liability, liberty, and decentralization. His statement raises crucial questions about the role of crypto. He says, what is the purpose of crypto? However, landscape including Ethereum faces paradox. Despite their centralized ideas, right now their purpose is to just help with easier transactions. That was the initial purpose of crypto, but now it's getting into so much more towards investment, and I think that is taking the wrong look at it, and that's what he's trying to say. Overall, right now, if you look at the open interest for Dogecoin as well, it's sitting at around 800 million. It's just up about 6% from yesterday. Talking about the liquidations, the shorts have been liquidated quite significantly higher compared to the long. As you can see, the short is about 4 million, while long is just below 1 million. On the other end, if we talk about some whales, you guys can see this whale was created on the 16th of April. They decided to purchase about 15 million US dollars worth of Dogecoin at the price of 15.3, and since have have been holding in a profit of $1 million. Another Doge holder, you can see this one is doing something similar. Since the March 25th, they did buy a lot of Doge and bought nothing. Then when the price did decide to pull back on the 15th, they bought another 400k. And another whale doing something similar. Well, they stopped buying, but then on the 15th, when it was announced that it's 15 cents, a lot more buying opportunity came in from them as well. And as you can see, even on Twitter, there's a lot of people talking about the overall accumulation period. Now you can see that can monthly close above 16 cents. That would confirm a perfect reset test of previous bear market accumulation range and would set up our monthly momentum strongly for more upside. We have 9 days to confirm this and starting to flash daily buy signals very easily. And you can see another pattern which is clearly suggesting that the bottom is in. We need to break the all-time high very soon. Crypto analyst sounds buy alarm for Dogecoin. Can Dogecoin price reclaim 20 cents? Personally, I feel like reclaiming 20 cents will be a lot easier than you imagine, because the next move forward, it would not be very heavily affected by the areas which are going to be, you know, just resistance areas. It might actually bounce through them very quickly, and that's shown by all the whales which are buying in such a short phases. Now, Dogecoin faith after Bitcoin halving event, should you bet at all-time high? Now, historical relationship with Bitcoin's halving event has been very positive. Soon after, it has seen a really positive trend, and seeing that the last 24 hours for the whole of the meme coins have been so good, I would personally not be surprised if Doge follows very closely and actually goes explosive. Maybe not even far, maybe in the next 48 hours we might be seeing a positive trend. Doge Day celebration boosts the market excitement. As I just mentioned, it's not just Bitcoin halving event, but it's more like Doge Day actually saved the day. If you talk about the overall trend, if Doge Day was not around the same period of time, we would have actually seen a sell-off in the whole crypto market. But Doge Day actually brought up the excitement and made sure that the market does not take any downturns and actually stays in the positive impact. And Dogecoin eyes a crazy price pump if the pattern plays out, and the pattern that we're talking about is the one which I said. Right now, if the pattern plays out properly, we should be sitting close to 27 cents in the next couple of days, and I'm very certain that is going to be the case, because you can see that even overall, if you look at the trend from down here to here, other than the time over here, which was on the 13th of April where we saw the flash crash, since then this line has been a clear resistance barrier. Now we just need to keep moving up, make sure we make it to the 18 cents and break above this barrier. If we are able to do so, then the uptrend will not be slowed down by anything. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.